Hi Alex.
How are you doing?
Yeah,
nice
so Yorkshire Caravans and Motorhomes, based at Bawtry, I understand.
That's right, yeah.
And we're here at the Newark show this weekend, and you've got some Sun Livings to show us.
We have, yes.
From Adria, from the Slovenian factory.
Correct, yeah.
But this is more their sort of entry-level product. So we've got panel vans and Coachbuilt.
That's right, yeah. So as a Sun Living, obviously, as you mentioned, built by Adria, same factory, same lines as the Adria that are built on, so you get all the same quality as the Adrias, same warranties, your same guarantees. With your panel van selections, you've got the V series, you've got the V55, you've got the V55 SP with your tent top, as it's known as there, so your pop tops. You've got the V60s, which one of them we have here today. We've got the V60 SP. And then you've got
this is a 6 metre van.
Correct.
But they do the smaller 5.4 as well.
That's the ones, yep.
And the panel vans are all on Fiat?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, shall we go and have a look at this one?
Let's go and have a look. I'll take you inside. So we've got nice entry in, and you come in straight into a nice sort of front diner area. Obviously you've got your two front captain swivel chairs. Really nice interior, really nice light layout.
It's got a nice modern feel to it, hasn't it?
That's what you get with the Adrias. The Adrias obviously been doing this a long time in Sun Livings. When they built them up, and they've kind of obviously put a lot of the Adria into here. So you've got your two kind of travel seats here. Your table swivels round to obviously cater for the two people that are sat on your front seats there.
And then at the back you can fold the bed up like that to get bicycles or whatever on board.
That's it, yeah. But if you're carrying your bikes, you've got your tether down points on the floor. Or the other option is that if you keep your bed down, there is a door that basically folds in on itself here to then create a closed garage for then storing stuff.
So you can still get folding bikes and outdoor chairs and all that sort of stuff, even if you just have the bed permanently.
Yeah. And then it just stops it all sliding forward then when you're driving, and obviously braking and things like that. So it's a very good sleek design, and modern and nice. Yeah.
And shower and toilet, of course, in this model.
That's right, yeah. So full toilet and shower, wet room style, but you've get a curtain obviously that comes around to split it off. Again, nice and light in there.
And if people want more berths, you said that with the 5.4 metre one, you can have the pop top as well.
That's right, yeah. And you can with the 60 as well.
Oh, you can as well with this one.
The V60 SP comes in a pop top as well. And then the V55, you get the V65 as well, which is then the 6.5 metre one. Those don't come in pop tops, that's just your standard van as it is. Obviously 6.5 metres long. So yeah, so your 55s and your 60s both come in a pop top version.
Okay. Right, shall we go and have a look at the Coachbuilt?
Let's have a look.
We've switched from Fiat onto a Ford cab
correct, yeah. So all the Coachbuilt motorhomes are built on the Ford. They're on the 2 litres, and they come in two variants, either the 130 brake horsepower engine or the 150 brake horsepower engine.
Manual or automatic?
Again, both. So they can be built on either manual or automatic. This one that we've got here at the show here this weekend is the A70 DK. Yep. Nice family motorhome.
But you've got the full range in stock back at your base.
Correct, yeah.
So low profile models as well for
low profile,
couples.
Yeah. So all your S series range is in there. So we've got the S72 with your S75s.
So island bed and single bed layouts.
That's right, yeah.
Okay, shall we take a look at this one?
Come on in.
It's a nice big lounge,
really
isn't it?
Nice lounge at the front here.
Because some family motorhomes really haven't got a great deal of space for a family, but you could have 6 of you in here.
Exactly, nice and comfortable as well. Again, the table kind of extends out to then obviously when you've got your kind of extra people sat on the sides here. 2 travelling seats there, rear facing, your 2 forward travelling seats here.
So you could travel 6 people in here.
Correct, yes.
And berths, you've got double bed up here.
Yep.
Bunk beds at the back, and then
this all converts into a big double bed as well.
Right, I like this nice big window too. It makes it nice and light in here.
It is. And with the light materials, the light woodwork, and it's just so light and modern in here. And especially if you've got your family of 6 people in here, you can all be in there quite comfortably and not feel kind of squished in, claustrophobic, things like that.
How much is this?
So at the moment, we have this on offer at $69,999.
Right.
Retail is $72,999, I believe. So we've got some great offers on at the minute, back at site.
Yeah.
There's also a cashback offer from Adria Sun Living as well on new purchases. So come on down and see us, and we can go through them and talk about them.
And you're at Bawtry.
We're at Bawtry,
near Doncaster.
Yeah. So Bawtry Road, just off Great North Road. what was the old A1 for people that know it.
Yeah.
Not far from the A1, we're only about sort of 3-4 miles from the A1. Nice big 38-acre site. We've got a gorgeous cafe on site, great food. You're not going to want to leave. Nice big awning shop.
Yeah.
We have a big leisure shop on site. And then...
So all your accessories you can get there.
Yeah.
And if people aren't particularly looking for a Sun Living, what other brands do you have?
So we have Bailey. So if you're looking for another brand new brand, then we do the Bailey range. So we have all the Endeavour range. We have all the Adamo range on site. And then we have a huge selection then of used vehicles from your Swifts, your Pilotes, Pilots, however you want to pronounce that one, your Auto Trails, Florette, you know, you name them, we've got them there. So a nice selection, great prices, cheapest in the country. We won't be beaten on price. We also have the price promise.
Right.
So if you find the exact same vehicle, same details, we'll match it.
And if people aren't coming to this show, I think you're coming to one of the other Warner's shows later in the year.
We will be, yeah. So we'll be at the Lincoln show in September, I believe it is. Yeah. So we'll be there as well. Whole new range of vehicles that we'll then have on show there. Hopefully the weather holds out for the same one that we've got this weekend.
Let's hope for weather like this at Lincoln.
So yeah, come on down and see us. Bawtry, you know, great site. Storage as well. We have one of the largest storage facilities in the country there. So it's kind of a great one-stop shop.
Yeah, a bit of a one-stop
at our site.
Yeah.
Great staff, great people, and you get to come and see me.
Yeah. And see the latest Sun Livings.
That's it. Yeah, you know, Sun Living it's a great brand. It's a nice, as you can see, they're really nicely put together. You get the Adria quality, 10-year warranty with them on the water ingress, which is big. You know, there's no other manufacturer that can offer that as standard, and you get to become part of the Adria family, which obviously everybody wants to be. So I've
tested one of these for the single beds, I think it was, at the back, and really nice. I like the contemporary feel inside.
Yeah. You know, and for those people that kind of want an Adria motorhome, you know, not everybody has the kind of big money that the Adria motorhomes generally cost, and that's why Adria created these. That's why Sun Living kind of was developed, and Adria appreciated that. So you're gonna get the Adria quality built motor, and you can see it and you can feel it for a fraction of the price.
But under 70 grand, it's a different price point altogether.
So come and see us.
Great, nice to meet you.
And you.